Okay. Now, if you see here, this is our running the normal application. However, we does like this. The same way you can able to do this button also. Correct.
Yes.
But there is a one more option here is called debug. So means you can able to execute your program line by line. Means wherever you put the stop point, it will come and stop over there. See, now the execution is stop here, so that you can able to see each and every variable, how it is changing the value. So for that, we have three different options. If you see here, step into, step over. Okay. There is a one more option in the IntelliJ would be there. Okay, but for example, first we'll see this. Okay, step into means you are going inside this one. See?
Okay.
So you can go each and every method inside how it is working. If you see here, println method. This println method comes from system.out.println method.
Yes.
Previously, where I was in the room one. In the room one, I say step into means it is go inside. Then it went inside. And println, it will go inside the println, I said. So it went into the println.
Okay.
Some ID, it means like if it is the Eclipse, it has the different options. If it is IntelliJ, it has the different options. So if you want to stop in the method, you can put here is a breakpoint, and you can put here is a breakpoint. You can put n number of breakpoints. When you go here and double click on this side, it will be the breakpoint would be happen here. For example, if you say F5 and it will come and stop here, and it will execute all these lines. If you say F5,
it will go inside.
Basically, F5 means all the application should complete. So now you are here. So if you see this one, the bed, voltas, and
there should be another line.
execution completed. Like that, you can able to see each and every variable, how it works. If you see here in the breakpoints, you can see in the line number 26, I put a breakpoint, line number 32, line number 71. You can see each and everything. And this is the expressions where you can able to execute your each and every variable, how it is going to be changed. This is called expressions it is. Okay.
Okay.
So if you use IntelliJ, IntelliJ is so easy and user friendly in terms of the IDE, but Eclipse is little bit difficult for me because I use IntelliJ a lot. Okay. So this is one of the very good concept. Now you can share your screen, Saurabh. We'll discuss about it, how it is works. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions on this or clear about it?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. Now you can share your screen. Okay, now you can put a breakpoint in the line number 9.
Line number 9. Okay.
Yeah,
Wait.
ready to go. No, you have minimized it.
Double clicking is not
No,
working actually.
no, no, sir. You can come this side. In the left side, come and click on that exactly in the same position.
Yeah, so here.
Double click. Yeah. Okay. Now
Yeah.
you can execute with the go on the M1 method of the SW class 3
Okay.
and put a breakpoint over anywhere, all line number 6, 7, wherever you want. Okay. Now go to the whatever the class you want to execute.
I want to execute this, but I want to know the meaning of this
Yes,
line.
we'll see. We'll see.
Yeah.
So what does it happen when you are executing the M1 method? First, it will go to the super dot M1, means it has to execute the previous method of M1. Previous method of M1 means the parent class of
3.
M1.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
So it will execute the parent class M1, and whatever the return type is happening in the parent class M1, that is the return type would come here.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So, okay, go to the HW class 3. What is the return type here?
Integer.
Okay, what is the output?
90.
So what is the output you are expecting?
90.
90. Go to the HW class 4. Okay, where are you calling this M1 method?
Here.
In the main method, you are
Outside
calling.
main.
Yeah, main method. Come down. Line number 30, you are calling.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you store this output of object.m1 into the somewhere, or you can just print it and we'll see. That is returning something to you, Saurav. Now you need to capture somewhere, right? The
Yes.
value.
Yes.
So you can say in line number 30, integer C, integer A equal to object.m1. So that whatever the value is coming, it will store in the C or some object.
Like this. Int C. Int C.
Okay. Copy
Then
that equal to object.m1.
object.m1. Yeah.
Yeah, you can remove the before line. I mean, whatever the thing object.m1 you are doing, you can remove that over there. Here in the line number 30, yeah. So now you are calling the object.m1, and whatever the return value is coming, it is storing in the
Int C.
C variable, right?
Yes. Yes.
Print the C variable. Okay.
Yeah.
So now the output of line number 33 would be, what is the answer?
It is coming from M1, so it would be 90.
90, right? That is
Yes.
the expectation. Guys, everyone understand? I mean, any confusion, any questions? Hello?
No.
Everyone clear? Whatever we are doing?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Execute debug.
Okay. Sorry. Where is my debug?
The left side.
Yeah.
Side. Yeah. Switch.
It will take some time. My laptop is very fast. Now F6, right? Step over or step into.
Now you can see three objects are the three arrow marks are you can see, right?
Yes.
Okay, first go on first arrow mark. Arrow mark. Not the triangle, Saurav.
In the top,
The,
top.
in the top. Step into, step over. Whichever you see, right?
Yes.
Yeah, left
Yes.
one. First see the left one. Step into. Okay, second one.
Step over.
Second, third one.
Step
Step
return.
into. Okay. So just play with these things. Means step into means you are going inside the method. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Step 4 means continue this one. So you no need to go inside here. Okay. And
Okay.
then execute means it will completely execute.
And step return.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now go F6. You came here.
Yeah.
Okay. Go execute. Execute. Execute.
90.
You can see the variables.
Yes.
Execute.
So it comes here and the
Yeah,
super
it return the value.
and
So
it
it calls this.
create the
So it will
object
store the value of C.
C
The C
equal
value
to
is 90.
90. Okay.
Okay. Right. It is executing object 2 and it will print and it will come out.
Okay.
So this is the way the compiler is executing. Okay. Usually we do this debug basically, when you use the conditional statements. For example, when you are writing the if conditions and what is the variable is coming, is it true is happening or false is happening, or everything we use this debug. Without debug, we cannot able to write the code at all. Okay.
What if I write this method on my own, like overriding it, and but return this M1 only? So then,
Return M1.
I mean return this super M1, super dot M1, but I write the method here only, override it.
And it means that there is no parent method.
No, there is the parent method. I am calling it from here to here, and I am also returning the super dot M1, but I am changing the method body.
Okay, yeah, do it.
So for now, I will just only change the values.
Okay. Yes, go into the SW class 4. Okay. Now, what is the meaning here, right? Saurav?
Yeah, I was saying like this,
Okay.
and I'll change the value. Yeah.
Right.
Now, yeah.
Hold on. Now tell me, what is your expectation in these 4 lines? First, it will come line number 8. What
Yes,
will happen?
there is two integers A and B, and
9.9.
there is another integer C which captures A plus B, and I am printing C, so it will be
Yes, very
100.
good. Line number
But
10.
I am not returning this C. I am actually returning the previous method from HW class 3.
Yes.
So it will print 100, but it will return 90. Right?
Yes, of course it is. That's what you are writing, right?
Okay. Okay. I got it. Okay.
Whatever the things you want to do, you are doing here. For example, Saurav, can you do 10 enter? Line number 10 enter. Okay. And do integer x equal to super dot m1. Okay. Okay. Yes. Integer y equal to x plus c. Return y. You already written y. Return. Okay. Remove
Okay,
that
so
one below. So what's happening now?
So it is taking the super M1 value that is 90, and with that it is also adding the C value that is 100. So it is 190, and It is printing that it is returning 190.
Yes, that's correct. So that means you don't want to execute, for example, I written some base method, sort of, which it will work for everyone. For you, for me, everyone it will work. Okay. So what is going to be happen, here? uh, that logic, it you don't need to write it. You need to say that, call that method super.m1 I need, it will get that value, and whatever the extra things you want to write, you can write it. Then you both the things you add it and done. That's it, right?
Yeah.
So that is what is the advantage of this overriding. Okay. When you override, you can able to call the base method also.
Yeah. But I can also change the body.
You can also add extra things in your
Extra
body.
things. Yes, yes.
You should not say change. You are saying like append.
Yes.
Get it?
Yes.
So the wording is really important. You should not say like change. Means you are not changing the base method. You are changing the your method. That
Yes.
means if you want to use, you can use your method alone without using the super. If you
Yes.
want to use the base and the yours also, you can use super and you can use your thing also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get it?
Yes.
Right? Any questions, guys?
Actually, I have another one.
Uh-huh.
I have extended it here, and I have override the methods, but I want to call the parent method only, even after overriding. Is it possible?
With
See.
this, maybe this method, right?
Okay. Now the point here is with with you only, I can able to call your parents, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want to talk to your parents, I can call them like a Saurav parents only, right?
Yes.
So if with the M1 you want to talk to with M1 parent, means you have to be called with the M1 only, right?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
If it is M2, if it is, for example, Moulali, if you want to talk to with my parents, with you can call with Moulali parents only,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
whenever the respective link is there, then only you can able to talk to their parents. Correct?
Yeah.
Now, for example, my parents has some X quality and me has some Y quality. Now, if you want to use my quality, means you can use only my quality. Okay. If you
Yes.
want to use my parent quality alone, means you can able to use my parent quality also. If you want to mix both the things, you can able to use both the parent and the child quality also. Right?
Yes.
Now, the point here is without using me, you cannot use the parent quality.
Okay. Yes.
Get it? Correct?
Yeah. But can I get only the parent output in within the child class? That is what I'm asking.
That is
I
what you did,
don't.
right?
No,
You can
I
put the
did
line
a
number.
child class output only.
You want to use child class output only. Okay. Do
I
one thing.
want to have parent class output, but I want it in child class.
This is what you did, right? The parent class output in the line number 11 is the parent class output. That is in the child class.
Yeah.
Okay. And you're utilizing that and you're returning the
And
whatever
what if there is no return type then?
No, don't. There's no return type. That's it. Okay. That will not happen anything. For example, go there now. Go to the parent class. Remove the return type of both. Or else create one separate method, Saurabh. Create a separate method, which is now only the void. Okay. Say right system.out.println. Okay. I am a good boy. Do you think you are a good boy?
No.
No. Then why are you writing?
Because you said that.
That's about me, not yours. You.
Okay.
Okay. Go to the class 4. Okay. Now override it. Okay. Now do whatever you want. You want to execute, you want to have any child thing, or you don't want to have any child one?
Yeah, I was saying that
Hmm.
I will override this.
Hmm.
So in that case, it will only give the output of child class in main method, but I want the output of only parent class even after overriding. Is it possible? I think it is not, but still I'm just for validating, I'm asking.
Uh,
Like this one, I have overridden it.
uh-huh.
So for the parent class, the answer was 10, but for now it is 20, and I'm calling it here, but I want the output of the parent class only. Is it
No,
possible?
without calling the parent, you cannot able to do that.
Okay.
Without calling the super, you cannot.
Okay. Yeah, that is what I'm asking.
The simple thing, Saurav, if you want to call my parents, you need to call Moulali parents.
Yes.
Without calling Moulali parents, how many parents will come?
Okay.
Right? Whenever you're calling me only, I am available to you. If you want to talk to my parents, means you need to say Moulali parents, right?
Yeah, and it is also not possible to give that parent reference here. So it is
Parent
not
reference here.
possible if I do this and here I give 3, it will be error.
That's, you can try directly and you can see there.
Yeah, it is error. I see, I have seen it. So
Yeah.
that is why I asked. Yes. So it is not possible.
Mm-hmm.
So I have to call directly.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Clear.
See, now what you're trying to do here, SW class 4 is a, no, put it over there.
Yeah.
SW class 4 is the, what is this?
Child class.
Child class.
Yes.
And which constructor are you using?
My parent class.
Okay, now tell me one thing. Child can you able to use parent?
Yes.
Parent can use child because this method is available in the child class. His qualities are available in the child class.
Yes.
So SW class 3 object new SW class 4 it's possible.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Because those methods are available here.
Available there. Yes.
So, but child class qualities, how parent would be available?
No, they can't.
That's not possible, right?
Yes.
Simple logic, guys. See, you can take normally. For example, my parent has habit of eating and sleeping. Okay, I am having habit of eating, drinking, and sleeping. For example, do you think like my parent has a habit of drinking? No,
No.
right?
No.
So then how do you say that my parent has that? You cannot able to do that, right?
Yes.
For example, by referring the parent, whatever the qualities have, I too have that.
Yes.
So they can able to refer me to,
Yes.
but I cannot refer to them, right?
No.
That is what it is. Very simple. Get
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, I got it.
Clear,
Should
guys?
Yes.
Yeah. Should I
Any other
stop
questions?
share?
Yep. Any other questions to anyone? No questions, nothing?
Here I have one doubt.
Yep.
Actually, we have two interface, right? Interface 1 and interface 2. In interface 1, I have 4 methods. All are public access by methods, public void M1 and M2, M3. but I extended that interface 1 to interface 2, then it takes the default. It's override that methods and it gives the default void M1 and default void M2. Why it takes the default? I give an interface only, this is public.
What is default? Can you show me?
Yeah, see, this is my interface 1,
Okay.
M1, M2, and M4. Then I extended this this A interface into B interface. Then
Okay.
it is my separate method in interface B, but I work this four M1, M2, M3.
Okay.
Actually, I give here as a public. Then it takes the default void M2 and M4.
See, the point here is you don't need to write anything over there, right? Do you really think like you need to write line number 6 to line number 25?
No, no need, but why it shows the default? That's my question.
I mean, that is, it's already available. You are not gonna be, if you write it also,
Yeah.
that is already available for you where you cannot able to do that. But the question here is only the point like even the method in the interface 1 and method interface 2. Okay. If you
Yeah.
have this two methods with the same name, 100% is both are same. Whichever it is taking from the interface 1 and interface 2 doesn't matter to you, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
So you are writing and extending here and you are gonna be override it. I don't think there will be any useful for you here,
Yeah, because there is no body.
right? But
Yes.
the point here, question to me is like when you are overriding here, there you are writing, you are able to write the body.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is what I'm looking here. Why and how it is allowing to write
Yeah,
a
that
body.
is what we were confused about.
Okay. How and it is why it is gonna be write a body here.
Yeah, in the
Actually,
interface.
I implement this B interface into class 1 and this I call this object with this one. Then it prints the hi. This one.
Wow, it's good. It's something is new to me. I mean, that is 100% sure that's a, I mean, it's a base rule for the interface. You cannot write a body, but you
Yes.
have written a body here. That is
Yes.
what I'm looking.
But
Can
I
you remove the? Can you
What?
remove the default and see?
it
Default.
shows
and
the error. I already
Can,
it shows
can
the
you
error.
no. Control Z. Can you remove the override? Okay, now execute.
What?
No. Yeah, M1. Remove the override for M1. Okay, execute. Wow, nice. This is something new, guys. I did not know about it, really.
Okay. Actually, yesterday I tried this.
Okay. So, but when you able to extend it, and if you given this override in the interface, you can able to write a body.
Yes.
Oh,
We didn't know that.
I too don't know. Seriously, I too don't know. It's something learning for me too. That's good. Oh. But there is a baseline rule like you cannot able to write a body.
Actually, I understand that, but I
here is
yesterday
the
I tried
point.
this. Then I got this output. Then I have some doubt how it is possible.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah,
That's correct.
abstraction
But
also we have may or may not body, but interface actually that's base rule. We don't have
Yes.
any body in
you
interfaces.
do not have anybody. But the point here is, it is not breaking the rule. For example, in interface 1, there is a method of M2, and interface 2, there is a method of M2. But both the interfaces will not have a different
Actually,
body.
actually it is a public.
No, leave
But
about
it
access
is-
specifier. Access specifier is the same. Even this is also a public method only. So that's
Yeah,
why you
yeah.
are able to call it into the class. or
Class,
else
yes.
we're not able to call it.
Yeah, actually, in interface, we don't have any other right. We have all methods should be in public, right?
Yes, 100%. See,
Yeah,
default is a not access specifier, Leela Prasad.
yeah,
Default is a keyword where it is saying like, it is default, it is available.
yeah. Okay.
Okay. It is not access specifier. Access specifier, we discuss about public, private, and protected.
Protected,
That's
yes.
it. Okay. This is default is a keyword where it is saying that this method is defaultly available, which you are not able to create something new again.
Yeah.
Okay, because when you are extending the interface and you are not gonna be create this again the same method once again in your method. For example, copy the line number 7 to 11 and paste it again.
7 to 11.
7 to 11. Copy the 7 to 11 and paste it again. Okay, because it's showing like already this
Yes.
duplicate method is
Duplicate.
available.
Yes.
Okay, so it's really good. Nice.
Can you stop?
The thing is, we can write the body for the static method. So, if somehow it is
Static methods we already seen about it.
Yeah, yeah. We can
In
directly
interface
call it
static method,
interface dot
right.
method name. That is
Yeah, we
possible.
already seen about a static method. We can able to write the body, but the point here is you cannot able to write a body for any method without a static in an interface. That is what I know. Okay,
but it is
good.
not happening like that.
It is really good. Something something new to me too. Wow. Okay. Okay, fine. But it is good. Good, Leela Prasad.
Okay. Fine.
I have one question, sir.
Yes, please.
I share my screen.
Yes, please go ahead.
Here, what is the use of this keyword?
Yeah. Now, previously we have seen a keyword called, what keyword we have used? Super.
Yes.
Yes,
What do you mean by super?
it will take the output or return from the super class.
No, it will talk about the parent.
Yeah, I mean
Yes.
parent class. Yes, parent.
It will talk about the parent. That is called super,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
This means current class.
Okay.
It's talking about the current class. This means current.
Okay.
So even if we doesn't mention it, it will only give the
100%
current,
it will
right?
point to the same method. I mean,
Yes,
same
yes.
class method. If
Yes.
you did not mention and call the M directly, it is the same. There is no difference. But particularly if you want to call the current method, then you can able to say like this.
Okay.
Okay, this is also one type of a keyword. Okay,
Yeah.
Stop sharing my screen.
fine.
I have a doubt, Moulali.
Yes, please go ahead.
You said that the super is for the parent class, right?
Correct.
So if we have a grandparent, which one will it take? I mean, the super becomes a grandparent or the parent?
100% always super points to the parent.
Yeah, it based on the where we are using that
Super is
right?
always point to the parent.
Yeah.
Always super is point to the parent. Okay, for example, you have a method of class A, you have a method of add.
Okay.
Okay, and the class A is extended in the class B,
Yes.
and class B is extended to the class C.
Okay.
Okay, now class B has a method of add.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now class C has a method of add.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now in the class C add method, you said super and you are calling that method. Okay, then automatically it will go to the where it will
Class
go
B.
to this parent. Who is
Yes.
this parent?
Yes.
Class B.
Class B.
Class B has a method of add.
From class
Yes.
C.
Yes, it is there.
Yes.
That is executed. That's it. So automatically it will point to the class A, so that it will go and execute from there. That's it.
Okay. From its parent, it means
Of course
from
it is. Right?
the direct parent. Yeah.
It is coming from this parent or it is there in the same class. It doesn't matter to you, right?
Yeah.
It is there available in the class B, so that it will execute for you.
Okay. Okay.
Correct?
Yeah.
So there is no difference. Only the point is like you need to understand how the methods are available in the particular classes. What is the hierarchy and what I cannot do? What I can able to use it. Okay.
Yeah.
Clear, Polamita?
Yes.
Okay. Nice. Any other questions? No questions?
No.
Mm,
Yeah.
As
Yes.
for now, no, sir.
Okay, very good. Nice, guys. Nice. Okay, then. So probably we'll meet tomorrow and
Yeah.
discuss deep about the Maven. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.